Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping in good health. Today I'm here to teach you another lesson from the maths textbook, geometrical figures. We are going to study about geometrical figures. Part 2. In part 1 we have studied about all the angles. We have studied about the acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Yes, you have understood that lesson. You have understood that chapter. Now, today, in this part 2, we are going to study about the circle. Geometrical figures, part 2, circle. Now, see, children, this is a circle. You can see this is a circle. And we are going to study few parts of this circle. Now, see, the first one is the chord is a line segment whose end points lie on the circle. See children, observe once again. Chord is a line segment whose end points lie on the circle. So this is called as a chord of a circle. Okay, now next one is the diameter is a line segment having both the end points on the circle and is the largest chord of the circle. Now you can see there is a line drawn in the center, you can see, and we have seen the chord is a, the previous one we have seen the chord was very small, but this one is the largest chord of the circle and this is called as a diameter. This is called as a diameter. The next part we are going to see, we are going to study in the circle, that is the center is the midpoint of a circle. We put a small midpoint in the circle, isn't it? So this midpoint, the center is the midpoint of a circle. See children, we are studying all these parts. Okay, keep these parts in your mind. Now we are going to study the next part, that is radius. What is a radius? Radius is a line segment connecting the center of a circle to any point on the circle itself. Means, see now here on the screen you can see only one line is there. Only one point is there. Okay, one line is there. But from the center, we can draw any number of line segments from the center. Okay, radius, that is called as radius. Radius is a line segment connecting the center of a circle to any point on the circle itself. You can draw the line this side, on top, down, any point on the circle itself. So this is called as a radius. Okay, now this is a short lesson that we are studying today, the parts of the circle. I have explained to you what are the different parts of the circle. Now in short, just to revise it, okay, the parts of the circle, we are just going to revise it. See children, pay attention and see how all the parts of the circle on the circle are. Now see, this is a circle, the whole circle. The first one we can see there's a center. Okay, where is the center? See, observe carefully. The center, this is the center of a circle. And then this is the radius of a circle. Okay. And then this is the diameter. This is the diameter on the circle. And we have seen the chord on the circle. Now, these are the parts of the circle that we have studied. And I hope you must have understood. Let us go ahead for some more shapes. Okay, now this is the one shape you can see on the screen. Now the first one is name the figure. Okay, now this is the shape you can see. Now you name the figure. What is the name of the figure? And we are going to also see the number of the sides of this figure and the number of corners. Now the first one is the name of this figure is a square. And see children, the number of sides of the square is there are four sides of this figure and also there are four corners. Now moving ahead with the same figure, we are also going to see again. I can tell you, okay, name the figure, names of sides and names of vertices we are going to see. See, observe carefully, okay. Name of the figure is square. Again, you know it very well that this figure is a square. Now we have to name the sides. Which are the sides of this figure? Now see here, you can see LM, MN, NO, OL. These are the sides of this square, this figure square. And also we are going to see the vertices. Names of vertices. They are L, M, N, O. These are the sides of the vertices. Now let us see the next figure. Yes, this I hope you must have understood and you have guessed it also. Yes, it's a rectangle. The name of the figure is a rectangle. And this figure also has four sides and four corners. Okay. And now we are again going to see the name of the figure, names of sides and names of vertices. It's very simple children. See, the name of the figure is rectangle again. You know it very well. Now names of the sides are PQ. We have already named it PQRS. But name of the sides we are going to see PQ, QR, RS and SP are the sides of the figure and the vertices are P, Q, R. Yes, these are the vertices of this figure. Now we have seen about the square, we have seen about this rectangle. Now see children, you can see this figure. The name of the figure we are going to see now. Number of sides and number of corners. Yes, now the name of the figure is triangle. Number of sides are 3 and number of corners are also 3. Yes, now we are going to name this figure triangle. Okay, we are going to give the names of sides and names of vertices. Now again, the name of the figure is triangle. Names of sides are AB, BC and CA. And the names of vertices are A, B and C. So children, I hope you have understood the concept of circle, the square, the rectangle and the triangle. And we have seen the names of those figures. We have named the sides, the vertices, the corners. So by this video, I hope the concept is very clear to you. Thanks for watching.